Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right. So today, I want to quickly, I want to show you a very nice professional 736 chord. All right, in the key of F. So we go the key of F, as you know already. If you're a subscriber of this channel, you know it's F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Okay, so it goes like this. We're gonna use this song. For you are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. Okay, so let me just show you this very quick. Right, we're not going to waste time here. So we're in the key of F, right? So you know the 736 is 736 to 514, right? So okay, so the chord goes so for you start on a 1, then you do miracle. Woo! So look at the chords. So left hand E and D, right hand we have hey, what chord is this? D chord, right? Second inversion, right? So you know me, so that's our 7, so that's going to be our 7, 7. Then on 3 we have all right. So on left you have A and G. On right we have E flat. E flat. Right chord. Then we're gonna slam this tritone before we get to 6. So on the left we have C sharp and G tritone. On right we have F major second inversion tritone. So to our 6. So for you are great, you do miracles so great. 2, can see that, right? Right. There is no 5, 1 else, 1 chord like you, right? So to our 4, you can see the chord. Ooh, da da, ba da ba ba, ba. There is so far, far like you. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click the join button to subscribe to get special perks from this channel. Right, God bless you in Jesus' name. See you in my next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.